4-pack. LED light bulbs. These GE LED light bulbs are the perfect general purpose, non-dimmable light bulbs that fit lamps, fixtures and more. Replacement light bulbs. These LED light bulbs replace traditional 60-watt incandescent light bulbs while only using 10 watts, 760 lumens. Long-lasting. These LED light bulbs are rated to last 9 years based on 3 hours of daily use. These long-lasting GE LED lights will not disappoint. Save money. These LED light bulbs save $55 on energy costs per light bulb versus a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. White light LED lights. The A19 LED light bulbs emit a cool, bluish white light with 5000 Kelvin color temperature. Top reviews from the United States. Bright lights and cost-effective. Energy efficiency unknown. Who knows if they are cost-effective? The government wants us to believe these are more energy efficient than the others. Nor can I determine the longevity, as I have had several LED lights go out after stating they will last multiple years. However, these lights are bright and I do like them. So far they are working well.